Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, November 24th. In case you don't know, tomorrow is Thanksgiving and the market's closed. Friday is going to be a half day, which closes at 1. I'm 86.3% certain I'm going to sit out Friday and just have a 4-day weekend because it's going to be dead. It doesn't mean there won't be trades, though, and Wayne has already said he's going to be there, so he's a good guy to follow. So if you want to show up and trade Friday, and I may be there, who knows? But anyway, today we had the gap up and the SPY ended up closing about where it opened. Here's 5-minute candles. There's the gap up and then straight chop sideways all day. Not uncommon for the day before a holiday. Having said that, if you watched last night's video, I said MRAI was my favorite going into today. I called it long over the mic, right over that opening 5-minute candle. I think it was $1.55 was my entry idea. I also said, if you missed that, even a break of $1.60 which was yesterday's high, and you had the $1.63 catalyst above that I talked about in the video last night, and you had the 200-day at $2.10, that can often act as a magnet, right? Well, it fulfilled all that and then some, and just went absolutely nuts, actually. So huge mover there on like a dime risk, and I'll show you the actual real time. That was a screenshot. There's the real time chart. 5-minute candles. That was my entry idea, and right there was my second one. And you can see it went to what, a 346 from $1.55. It doesn't get much better than that. Yes, I'm proud of that call. It ended up giving a lot of it back, but I am going to put that on watch for Friday. Quick screenshot in case somebody's seeing my video for the first time. We got a lot of new members in chat because of the Black Friday special we've been running. If you haven't seen it, check it out. 20 years, actually in February, will be 20 years of running a live day trading chat room. I don't know how many people can say that, but this is the best deal we've offered in the entire 20 years. So, get to our website and check it out if you're not a member. Most people that watch my videos are already members, but anyway. What are we watching for Friday? I should say, what are you guys watching? I may or may not be there. So this is one of them, MRAI. Closing well off its highs, but it's such a strong mover lately that we're day traders, right? So we do want to have it on a chart. SGD, certainly a recent high flyer. I got a line on my chart. I was going to take it over that line. Let me get rid of that. I was going to take it over that line today, but it didn't get there. Anyway, that's certainly a recent high flyer, narrow range today that deserves to be watched on Friday. Shot is just a crazy one. Some house came out with a short report on it today and just decimated it. They came out in defense of themselves when it was like down here and it had a nice bounce. I don't know. It's a crazy chart, but as day traders, we definitely want to keep something that's moving like this on a chart. See if we get an A+ long setup, right? CDIO. I'd like to see this come down and maybe retest this earlier high, right, where it broke that, maybe the 184 area. But it's super strong, so we're day traders. We're going to keep it on a chart. CHGG gapped up here, chopping around, gappy ever since, but I'm going to put it on a chart. Maybe it breaks out of that range one of these days. I already talked about MRAI. I'll show you the chart one more time. SLDB had this nice pop back here, nice secondary pop. I love it over this horizontal line. Well, it's just been chopping sideways ever since, but I want to keep that one on watch. RELI. Big volume today. The only news I could find on it was I think they canceled an offering, but that was yesterday, and it caught a bid today. Big volume, though, so that one should be on watch. Riot, a Bitcoin play. Super interesting over 12. I'm going to show you Mara, too, even though, you could easily, horizontal line there, it's kind of trying to break out there, too. Could easily have that one on watch as well. Anything Bitcoin related, those charts are starting to look good. Lemonade, which is an AI play, I don't know. It's in the middle of its recent range, from down here to up here, but caught a bid today. So let's keep that one on watch. W is Wayfair. I still like it over this horizontal line there, right? Looks like it might break. It had a lot of shorts in the name. MIRA had a huge run from here to here, and now you got a couple red days on lower volume. So I'm putting that on bounce watch. And then FBIO I'm putting on bounce watch, which had a nice 2-day run. Couple days pullback on lower volume, so that one goes on bounce watch. And then whether I'm there or not, I know you guys will add gappers to the list in the pre-market. So that's it. Have a great Thanksgiving. I appreciate you all, and we'll see everybody in the chat room maybe on Friday. I know a lot of you will be there. I'll definitely see y'all on Monday. All right. Have a great weekend.